What's up, guys? What's on coming in the building? Like, comment, and subscribe. So, what one peeps? Your boy Sinus there in Alpha Tree right now. So, you know, say Corona come, it affect a lot of things, including even the grand market. So, pretty much what I'm gonna do is just run a film and let you guys see grand market 2020 version and things. So yeah, gonna go on journey with your boy.
Releasing dopamine.
Yeah man, so see everything going on. Yeah, this is grand market right now. So look, in a 2020 right now, people still coming out, doing them things. People are shopping, you know, the nice things and things. So yeah. Alright peeps, so see we are there now with the Tropical Plaza. Alpha Tree quite busy right now. Peace officers are out here, and if you guys don't know, the grand market today, 2020, 24th of December, starts at 2 p.m. today in the day, but no one was out here, to be honest. Start 2 p.m. and ends 10 o'clock, so I'm not really far from now still, you know, because it's really after 7 right now. May I film this in at the night and showing around the place. I couldn't see grand market right now, you know. Yeah man, so yeah, what about? Nah, oh yeah man, big up yourself. The thing them there, I couldn't see out here. Look, see? As I give you a little run through the place, and I couldn't see the vendors them. I know a lot of people love the grand market and thing, but you know, a lot of things change, especially since COVID, you know. Obviously, as you can see, it's not so big as before, but hey, you know, people there, you know. Some of us want to know, go through and see what going on, you know. So yeah, see there, people them out here, man. I do them thing, you know. Now video your auntie. Now video the tie them. Now video your auntie. Now where is it? Yeah. Yeah, see the thing them here? Nice thing them. So grand market's pretty much still out here. It may not be on the live, the grand scale that it used to be on, but people still out here do them thing, you know. So yeah, just showing you guys around. Guys see all of the nice stuff. Some more things you can get. Big variety, you know. Hey man, so we do out here. Eh? You know, say I feel our people them across over so on like for there, but them not there.
Sinus Entertainment, you see the pray. Yeah, right now we're live, you see face of King Akeem Jesus. Banga so we bang. So we're banging like Poe. Bangology, academical strategy, apology, we spilling a chemical and the half of it. Gonna them acid in him gone again. Banga client nana at the end shell down a wafer bends. Yeah, no sentence, me not fi talk again. A room in a my master bed, my jewelry them a cost a mill. Kim and chin, no jack and chill. Gale can talk live.
Grand Market people 2020. As you can see, kind of a little bit more, less people, you know, but people out here. This is about after 7 right now. People, so yeah, you know that ram up, but people are here. People are here. People are here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah guys, Grand Market. Here it is. 2020. The Corona edition. Place no look too right, you know. Cause me say at 10 o'clock is the early settings. So just a show now quick 1-2, you know. How the thing go. 2020 Grand Market edition. I walk with the people them, you know. Sure you can see what's going on. You know? Yeah. I'm not putting it on you. It's alright. You're not on it. You're not for it.
What is for YouTube?
Yeah. You know the panic man. Unless you want the panic and tell him hi. Alright.
Buyer. Calling buyers. The Prime Minister said 12 o'clock.
No, I'm not putting it night unless you want to be night.
No, I don't want night at all.
Yeah man, I'm just showing who fellow Jamaicans abroad.
Okay.
Oh, Grand Market are going, you know?
Okay.
Show off for the nice things.
Yeah, man.
Yep.
Yeah, buy me this time.
And MC say it's not dead. Grand Market still alive. Although the Prime Minister said 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Kind of rough still, but I understand, you know? Yeah.
We shall do it till 12 o'clock.
hear that?
Chin fashion.
Tell them again, big brother.
Chin fashion. Chin couture. See how they?
Alright.
The outer so every day.
Every
Premier
day.
Plaza.
Yeah.
Every day. A fair spot this.
Alright.
Yeah.
When you hear that, Chin's Fashion, go check it out.
473-4059. That's the number.
When you hear that, alright.
WhatsApp it.
WhatsApp it.
Right now the store.
Right in the store.
Christmas slow, but we are working it. Give thanks and praise to our God.
Yeah, alright.
One love.
Alright. You can go, it's alright.
Online, New York, LA.
Soon I get that, man. Soon I get that, my brother. Let's show them off, yeah? Where there? Are you tune for sure? The Jamaican them live abroad say still there, man.
Alright.
The Grand Market still there. Cause no people think the Grand Market is dead. But it's not dead. Yeah, man, see the money himself, man.
Online production, man. You know the good thing, them, man.
Eh?
Yeah, man, I need the uptown, man. Right, a premiere, man. Anytime I don't want to hot thing, I just check it.
And you hear that?
Online, New York, H&M, Forever 21.
And you hear that?
You see me? No joke.
No joke.
You see me?
Yeah,
no
man.
Double.
No, not that. Big up yourself, in a big brother.
You see me? You know the thing in a one love. You see me?
Alright.
Heart of love.
Blessings, big brother. Eh? Yeah, man, me show everybody place, man. Don't worry yourself. Everybody I get featured. Alright, your place is?
Yes.
Auntie, big up yourself.
Yes. Big up Philip Star, the whole of the gang to them shell down.
Yeah.
Shell down.
Yes, man, when you hear that.
I'm a neighbor named Bonnie, so the crep them.
Bonnie and Nadine, big up on
Right.
yourself, you know.
Be a sneaker to them.
Yeah, wear yourself, man. Advertise your thing, them, man. Yeah,
If
man.
anybody want a little knock off them, you know them can come right
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
Cheap and clean.
Yeah.
Yes, them can come.
Yeah, man, so, yeah, man, you don't know. Just assure the people, them say, yeah. In spite of everything, Grand Market still are there, you know. It's still a go on, you know. Talk to them, Nadine, make them know what go on.
Why the thing up and running, we are blessed. Jamaica people them blessed.
Yeah.
You understand? Many country right now, people can't come out to buy nothing now. You
Yeah.
understand? Kind of money now around, but the
Yeah.
thing up with Jamaica.
Yeah.
You understand? The people still a come out.
Yeah.
And I do them look one-on-one. You understand?
Yeah.
I look for food to give thanks.
Yes,
for
for
that.
real.
You understand?
For real, Auntie Nadine,
Yes.
for real. Yeah, man. Show off Auntie Nadine place, you know.
Yes.
So all of me Jamaican them with their brother, they want come and can't come because
Right.
you don't know the madness happening in the world. Going like it won't stop.
Right, that's what the thing say.
But we still a push through, in Jesus' name, yeah. You know? Yeah, man, Auntie Nadine place is in half a tree, yeah? Yeah, so you go there tomorrow, Auntie?
Yeah, man, they're there.
When you hear that, Auntie says you go there tomorrow.
Yes,
So, on Saturday, so you come right at the side here, so.
right.
At the side of Giscom Sports, right here, so.
Yes. I will
Yeah, man.
find the Rasta go there too.
Rasta go there.
Slippers them, yeah, leather slippers,
Well,
leather
I'm going to check
belt.
him out right there, so, yeah.
Right.
Him a feature too, you know?
I'm sorry, I'm holding for
Yes, man. Yeah, man, get the nice thing them, you know? Yeah, man, big up yourself, Auntie Nadine. Roar.
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker. Big up the